The 53-year-old Elias Ohaneja works as a logistics manager for a private electronic firm in Abuja, Nigeria's capital. Despite working for over a decade at the firm, Ohaneja has not subscribed to any pension investment scheme. He says his employer had not properly educated him on the need or importance of a pension scheme.
It's just work and go. Work, they pay and you go. There's nothing like pension. It's not going about pension with the company.
Ohaneja is not alone. In Nigeria, the risks of poverty worsen with age due to insufficient social protection systems and retirement investment education, according to the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs. After retirement, older adults may be forced to rely on others for food, medicine, and other needs. Samuel Jinadu, a clinical psychologist in Abuja, says poverty aggravates the loneliness, stress, and vulnerability associated with growing old.
It leaves them unfulfilled, it leaves them in despair, it leaves them, in some form of psychological chaos. And that is the psychological implication. So the stress level becomes high because poverty is a trigger for stress.
Pension plans are designed to prevent poverty in old age, but growth across the sector has been slow in Nigeria. According to Nigeria's Pension Commission, as of the second quarter of 2022, only about 15 to 17% of the nation's workers had an active pension account. Obinaya Orakpa, an economist and public affairs analyst, blames lack of awareness, limited pension coverage, and in some cases fraud for the low coverage.
There is delay in the payment of pensions, especially at the subnational levels. Some agencies of government or some employers of labor have not deliberately captured the pension of their staff, and some even who have deducted have not remitted.
Orakpa says to help solve the problem, the government should invest in early pension awareness programs for workers and to encourage worker buy-in by monitoring and removing pension payout bottlenecks.
Yeah, so in order that they are not left to die early death, I believe strongly that we should deliberately create a pool of funds, like a sinking fund, where they can access funding. And then we can also deliberately mark out a portion of the national social safety plan for elderly persons.
But for Ohaneja, it's getting late. He has no savings to fall back on.
I guess for having pension, because I don't know the application before, but now I've seen the application because now I'm getting older. I don't know what I'll do.
He's now also working as an automobile mechanic to boost his earnings and save some funds to avoid poverty in old age. For Gibson Emeka in Abuja, Nigeria, I'm Vincent Makori, VOA News.